In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select English on Duolingo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the English course that matches your language, confirm the right option, and move smoothly through the setup. First, open Duolingo on your phone or in a web browser. Make sure you're on the main language selection screen. If you've used the app before and it opens to a lesson, head back to the Home or Courses area so you can choose a new course. A quick refresh or restarting the app can help if the language list doesn't load right away. Next, choose the language you want to learn and remember that Duolingo often displays language names in your own language. For example, if you're Filipino, you'll see English listed as Ingles. That's the one you want to pick. If the list is long, use the search bar at the top to type English or Inglés and let the app filter the results for you so you don't have to scroll forever. If you don't immediately see the option you need, scroll down and tap or click on More. This expands the full set of courses and language combinations Duolingo offers. After expanding the list, you may be asked to select your country. Go ahead and choose your country so the app can tailor content and availability. Then select English, the one marked with the English flag. Depending on your region, you might see a US or UK flag, either indicates the English course. Pick the option that appears for your setup. When you've got the right course highlighted, click Continue. This confirms your selection and moves you into the course setup. You'll typically see a confirmation screen that shows the language pair you've chosen, so take a quick moment to double check it looks correct before you proceed. If you're prompted to change the app's language to Tagalog so you can learn English from Tagalog, click Change to Tagalog. This sets your interface and explanations to Tagalog, which makes learning smoother if that's your preferred base language. Choose it here so your tips, translations, and instructions match your needs. Finally, proceed with the steps that follow on screen. Duolingo will guide you through choosing your starting point, either a quick placement check or beginning from the basics, and it may ask about your learning goals and reminders. Just keep following the prompts until you land on your first English lesson. That's it, you've selected English on Duolingo and are ready to start learning. If anything looks off, return to the course list and repeat these steps to make sure the correct English course is active. Happy learning!